Hello, this is Paul Hackenberger, and I wanted to share with you the work that I've been doing building Canvas classes for students. As you can see, when you look at these course tiles, I've downloaded the course shells and applied them to the different courses. You can see that I've actually also made some individualized course icons. That way students will be able to easily identify and differentiate my classes from other courses in similar elective or ELA strands. Now when we click on a course itself, this speech communication course, you can see I have a unique banner that has a graphic and my name on it. And in the files page, you'll be able to see that I have actually loaded all of these different files, but I haven't organized them yet. That's a task I need to do on another day, working on it. But you'll also see when we go to the modules, hopefully the computer catches up and the internet is a little bit slow today. But I have different modules that I'm starting to build. This very first module that I have for students is Canvas skills for this course. It's kind of a generic look at what kind of skill sets I want them to be able to demonstrate. I have several pages that I've set up for them, a couple of discussion boards that I've established, and some of these are actually, these 2 pages are instructions for how to work with their account profiles. So those are labeled in there. Now, if I go to this assignment in regular view, you can see that I've got it published and ready to go as an assignment. I have built the assignment so that it kind of walks students step by step with some graphics to do what I am asking them to do. Hopefully those instructions are clear enough and engaging enough that students will understand what the task at hand is. If I go back to the home page for this and I set this at student view, one of the things that you will notice is that the assignments will actually populate on the right-hand column, the to-do column. It's thinking about it right now. But you can see those assignments are generated here. And if we clicked on an assignment, the thing that you'll notice is that it is not yet available. And the reason why it is not yet available is because I have not published the module and the course is not published. But I have set it to be available on September 8th at 7 a.m. So one of those things, or those things will be available once I have published the course, published the module, and that date rolls forward. So you can see that the module, or that the assignment is there. Now, as far as announcements are concerned, if you set up the go to announcements, the very first announcement is my welcome back to the school year. I talk about this unique dynamic that we are going to be in and how Canvas is going to be our major medium. I also tell students how they can get in contact with me if they have questions, either through my email or Canvas inbox. And you can see that this content, this announcement, is not going to be available to students until Monday, September 7th. I've set it for that date because I want them to be able to see that announcement before they come to the building. If we switch over to the calendar view, you'll be able to see in the calendar that in September I have set up due dates for assignments, and they are linked, and you'll be able to see those first couple of assignments put together for students ready to go. As I mentioned before, I have not yet published either the course or individual modules, even though assignments and lessons are available. I can and will publish the course either by clicking on this Publish button here on the dashboard, or when I go into the course, I can click on this Publish button over here that will make it available to students. As far as the individual modules are concerned, I know that these circles with the line through them are the Publish buttons for the modules, and once those are clicked, they change into a green check mark, making them available for students. So looks like that's still, yep, okay. The Canvas is still loading. There we go, right? So here, this is where I would click to publish the module. You'll see that I already have all of these pages and assignments set up, ready to be published once I click this and the course is published.